Hi writers, welcome to this video. I am going to walk you through Canvas just a bit in case you're not too familiar with it. My name is Jacqueline Walker. I am Professor Walker, your leader for the semester into creative nonfiction. I'm excited to work with you. I'm happy that we have this space where we can write and share some stories and ideas and inspire one another. So if you're not too familiar with Canvas, I'm going to try to walk you through some of the basics that are pretty important to know and will make life online a little easier for you. This is our homepage, and there are a few different ways you can navigate here on the homepage. One of them is here on the left tabs. You can use that. And then if you prefer, you can use the buttons that I've created that kind of section off the important aspects of the class. So we have our journal writing practice, which is one of the first things that we're going to jump into, just figuring out for you what your writing practice is and what you would like it to be moving forward for the next 12 weeks. We have a button here for town hall or class discussion. If you have an idea or something that pops up and you want to share it, or if you have a question, you can post it here. And then we have our units here on the bottom, just navigating us through the different chunks of the class. We have different themes for each unit. And then before that, we have the syllabus and schedule, which I also posted below, just so that we have it. And then if you keep scrolling down, which is kind of the cardinal rule when you're learning online, keep scrolling down. We have a wonderful quote from Bruce Lee. So I just wanted to read it as we open up our class, a little ritual here. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless like water. You put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a teapot, it becomes the teapot. You put it in a bottle, it becomes the bottle. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. That's from our friend Bruce Lee. In case you hadn't already noticed, we will be reading the biography of Bruce Lee that was written by his daughter, Shannon Lee. So I'm just pulling up the syllabus here just to remind you what the books for this class are. We have Tell It Slant by Brenda Miller and Suzanne Paulo. We have Be Water, My Friend, the biography of Bruce Lee written by his daughter, Shannon Lee. And then we have Heartberries by Therese Marie Mayotte. And so those are our books. You can buy them on Amazon. When I was putting the class together, some themes emerged naturally. So our themes are going to be origins, blues and light, and dreams. And so our working title for spring 2023 is Dreaming Origins in Blue and Light. And if anyone has a suggestion, or as we navigate through the course, that can transform as well. By the end of our course, our goal is for you to have created 2 polished pieces, and that can be whatever you choose in the nonfiction realm. It's a pretty big universe, and so you'll have time to figure that out as we navigate week by week. And so I just wanted to remind you that I have student office hours where we can meet through email, Zoom, text, face-to-face. I'm teaching on campus Tuesdays and Thursdays, and so if you're around and live in the area, you are welcome to schedule something with me and we can get together. Our course dates are February 6th through May 5th, and the syllabus is just a chance for you to kind of see what's in store, what the expectations are, how the points systems work, and what our course objectives are and all that stuff. So check it out. If you have questions, you can post them online. The way that our course works is it opens on Sunday, and each week will open Sunday and close on that following Saturday. You are also welcome to move ahead if you want, because everything is currently open. So just wanted to remind you of that. Make sure you grab your journal and buy a journal that you like, because you'll be using it a lot for your journal writing practice. What else? Let me go back here. Now that we're back on Canvas, you can see whether you click the module button or the button on the home page, it will walk you through everything that's happening. All the modules are just little kind of chunks of learning, And again, we have 3 modules, and they're broken into weeks of 4. So we have our intro module with all the kind of course information and our town hall. We have our journal keeper module, which is for us cultivating our writing practice. Your journals will be due at the end of the semester. And then we have our actual units of reading and writing, creative writing and discussions. So we have origins, weeks 1 through 4, and you can collapse them to kind of condense your space. It's easier to navigate once you've finished one. Blues and light, weeks 5 through 8. After week 8, we have spring break, which is the week of like April 3rd. And then we have our last unit, which is dreams. It's weeks 9 through 12. So the first book that you're going to need, the first 2 books, will be Tell It Slant and Be Water, My Friend. We'll be starting those in our first unit and working through our second unit with Bruce Lee's book, and then wrapping up Tell It Slant in our last unit through week 10. And so that's what's going on with our units. Let me just click back on our homepage in case there's anything else. Here we go. You can check on the right-hand side of your screen. There's a calendar. So when something is due, it'll pop up here. You can also use your own calendar feature. I'm going to click on student view so that it looks the way that it looks when you're viewing it, just to kind of make sure everything's correct. So things that are due here, announcements will pop up weekly. So I've been very conscious of trying to find different modalities and ways to connect with you and remind you of things, because I know for me it helps when I get reminders, especially when they're kind and loving. And so we also have the course calendar, which you can click on and use as well. Whatever time management works for you, that is our course in a nutshell. Again, I am Jacqueline, and I am so happy to work with you, and I hope you have a wonderful week 1. Bye.